You out here getting it. Out here getting it for the one time, Huh? For what? That's what I said. I think they taxing on this stuff in here. Huh? They probably not gonna let it go. Hey, what's going on, team? Got me. It's double Calvin today. Got me and my boy Calvin Davis. He out here getting me together because y'all know I don't really mess with this carpentry work. My cuts be all off. Getting me together one time for the one time. They gonna be mad when you get done with this. I ain't gonna cut up today, but yeah, man. Hey, man, and I also want to give a big special shout out to that one person that's disliking all my videos. I thank you and I love you because you still take the time to dislike my video. So I love you. And also, man, I want to just big shout out to everybody that's following the channel, following the movement. If you make sure you subscribe to this video if you don't do anything else. Support your boy. Giving this information out for free. And also, we got the water department here. They're here cutting the water service on. Yes, we have a water line, and I know you checked out that video. So right now she's putting in a new digital meter so we can get it. And then also we're trying to get these steps done. Of course, we haven't finished the front stairs. I mean, we haven't finished the porch, but we getting the stairs together, and we just gonna, I'm gonna put some, plywood down so that way I can just walk straight into the front door, So that's what we doing. That's what we working on. All right, man, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, guys, it's coming together. So it's definitely coming together. My boy Calvin is getting me together. That's weird saying Calvin. We got the same name, but he's the only guy I mess with. Trust to do work for me when I can't do it. And also, I'm learning some things from him because he been doing this longer than me, So just a blessing to have, good talented people around. Also, Calvin will be starting up his own channel, so I'm gonna be seeing a lot of him as we come to a close on this property. Once he gets everything squared away, I'll be definitely leaving a link to his channel so you can go subscribe to his channel. But all right, I gotta head out, do some more stuff, and I'm gonna let y'all guys see how this comes out. That boy Calvin going hard. That boy went over here and went hard. Sick. It's good. It's good. We gotta cut. He gotta cut that, but take a full walk up here. Take a full walk up here. Oh, take a full walk up here. Just took a full walk up here. He told me I could take a full walk. I just walked up here. Hey, but that's. Hey, this is good. This is good. We're gonna be good. Then when that weather break, we're gonna get this together.